2025 Modern Minimalist House. Seamless indoor-outdoor, living with nature and contemporary style. Step into the future of harmonious living with the Minimalist Modern House 2025, where cutting-edge design meets the tranquility of nature. This visionary home is meticulously crafted to dissolve the barriers between indoor comfort and outdoor serenity, offering a seamless transition that celebrates both natural elements and contemporary aesthetics. Picture yourself surrounded by expansive glass walls that invite the outdoors in, allowing light and lush greenery to become part of the interior landscape. Every element is thoughtfully curated to transform the home into a serene oasis, from sculptural lighting fixtures to curated natural accents that infuse warmth and elegance into the minimalist palette. The Minimalist Modern House 2025 is an architectural masterpiece that thrives on the symbiosis of modern design and natural beauty. Utilizing eco-friendly materials and open layouts, the home fosters an ambience of calmness and connectivity. Sunlit spaces abound, encouraging residents to start the day with a tranquil morning coffee in a light-drenched courtyard, while evenings can be spent under a canopy of stars on a thoughtfully designed patio. Each room is a testament to functionality and aesthetic appeal, integrating modern furniture with natural textures. This fusion creates an atmosphere that's both luxurious and welcoming, where beauty and practicality are in perfect harmony. For enthusiasts of modern simplicity, or those in search of a peaceful retreat, the Minimalist Modern House 2025 presents a wealth of inspiration for various lifestyles. It embodies the essence of mindful living, encouraging inhabitants to embrace intentional spaces where every element is purposeful. From innovative design solutions to timeless charm, this home is a sanctuary for those who cherish beauty, comfort, and sustainability in equal measure. The balance of cutting-edge technology and natural elements ensures an environment that is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also nurturing and eco-conscious. Imagine a living space where interiors are seamlessly extended to outdoor gardens, blurring the lines between your home and nature. The Minimalist Modern House 2025 is designed with numerous strategically placed windows and sliding doors that not only maximize the use of natural light, but also provide breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Complementing these architectural features are carefully selected plants and greenery that integrate with the home structure, offering not just aesthetic appeal, but also enhancing the indoor air quality and fostering a healthier living environment. The choice of materials is integral to achieving the home's minimalist yet modern ethos. Sustainable woods, stone, glass, and metals are employed to create a rich tapestry of textures that delight the senses while remaining environmentally conscious. This dedication to sustainability extends to the home's energy-efficient systems, which are designed to minimize the ecological footprint without compromising on luxury or comfort. Inside, every room tells a story of understated elegance. The decor is kept simple yet sophisticated, with pieces that serve both form and function. Clean lines and neutral tones dominate, allowing for flexibility in personal expression. Despite its minimalist roots, the home's decor does not shy away from artistic flair. Bold, sculptural light fixtures and strategically placed art pieces offer unexpected moments of drama and intrigue, inviting exploration and admiration. The Minimalist Modern House 2025 isn't just a place to live. It's a new way of experiencing space, harmonious, intentional, and deeply connected to nature. It's about fostering a lifestyle that values quality over quantity, where spaces are designed with deliberate thought, and beauty is found in simplicity. Whether you're hosting a lively gathering with friends or seeking solitude and reflection, this home meets the demands of any situation with grace and poise. Ultimately, the Minimalist Modern House 2025 is more than just an architectural achievement. It's a vision for living harmoniously with nature while embracing the conveniences of modern life. It stands as an inspiring testament to the idea that elegance and sustainability can coexist seamlessly, offering a glimpse into a future where homes are not only designed for living, but are also spaces that nurture the soul and respect the planet.